Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to take a look at Granian, and Granian is basically HTTP server for Python applications written in Rust. So technically that's what we are going to talk about in this video, and what we are usually going to do is to create a virtual environment called Granian, source this virtual environment, and use pip install for Granian. And once this is installed, we are going to have a new terminal opened, and we use nvim. And here we are going to create our demo application. So let's create a new child node called demo.py, and here we are going to define our asynchronous function. So async def application. Let me make this a bit bigger. And this application function is going to have a scope, receive, and a send function, a send argument. And we have to assert that the scope's type is HTTP, and await send the following information. So let's go back, and we are going to have a dictionary, and inside this dictionary we have to specify the type, which is going to be HTTP response start, and we have the status, which is going to be 200 if everything goes well, and the headers are going to be as follows. This is going to be a list of headers, and inside the list of headers we are going to have a list for each item, and the content type is going to be text and plain, and that's it for now. And await send, we are going to create another dictionary, and here the type is going to be HTTP response body, and we are going to give this the body, and this is going to be hello world from Granian. All right, notice that we are using the B notation, which says that we want to send binary data, or bytes rather. And if this is done, what we can do in the other window, let's make it a bit bigger, we can use Granian. So let's go to Granian, and here we want to run the demo.py. So Granian interface ESGI and demo.application. And if we did well, what we should be able to do is to go ahead and hit the context route. So HTTP 127.0.0.1 on the port 8000, and as you can see, it has responded. There is also another example which is using RSGI. So let's create one. Let's save it and quit it, and create a new child node, and this is called demo rsgi.py. And here what we have to do is to also define in this async manner the application. It is going to have a scope and the protocol and basically we assert that the scope dot protocol is going to be HTTP. Let's use just simply proto, and then we can use the proto dot response str and say that our status is going to be 200 and the headers are going to be a list of tuples with the content type and text plain, and we are also going to have a body which is going to be hello world from Granian RSGI. So now, if everything goes well, we should be able to start our application with the interface RSGI, and we have to use the demo RSGI application. Yep. And if we go back and hit the context root once again, you can see that this has responded. And technically that was all I wanted to show you. And recently I have been relearning Rust because that language got the hype, and I believe it's something that is that is useful to have in my developer toolset. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.